Are you in search of a reliable yet affordable web hosting? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm excited to offer you a full year of hosting and a .com or .net domain name for free. Yes, you heard this right, a well-known web hosting and a domain name for free. The web hosting you will get is DreamHost, which is endorsed by WordPress. Watch this video until the end to see that this offer is 100% legitimate. After thoroughly testing DreamHost and confirming its reliability and user-friendliness, I became a partner with them. So for every qualified person I refer to DreamHost, they provide me with a commission. And instead of keeping all the commission to myself, I thought, why not pay you back for your hosting and domain name registration so they become free? This is simply the principle of this idea. As a bonus, you'll also gain access to my course DreamHost for Beginners, Master It Quickly, which explains things you may need down the road like how to easily move a WordPress site to DreamHost with zero downtime, how to link your DreamHost domain name with other services such as Blogger or Shopify, how to create an email on DreamHost and link it to Gmail. And if you need further assistance, you'll also receive a free 1-hour consultation with me via phone call or Zoom. Wondering how to get all of these benefits for free? Simply go to DreamHost using my personal link bensexperience.com/dreamhost, get yourself a year of WordPress Unlimited hosting plan, then send me a screenshot of the payment receipt at ben@bensexperience.com, and don't forget your PayPal or Payoneer address so I'll be able to pay you back what you've paid to DreamHost, which is $35.40. To ensure a smooth process, I'm only accepting 7 people for this offer this month, and I'll pause it until the next month. So act fast and secure your spot today.